let's steer a little bit away from the social media and from the influencers. And I think one of the things when we talk about the same word, influence, a lot of brands or a lot of companies rely a lot on reviews and their image online. And that's why every single commercial entity and maybe government entity even, they have social media accounts and they have a website and they have the digital presence. And one of the most controversial issues that happen is reviews. When you go to a restaurant and you leave a bad review for this restaurant on Google, or you trash them by a very bad post on Instagram story, or even record what happened live to try to show a bad image for a commercial entity in general. This influence sales directly, and this influence the image of the commercial entity, and it has legal implications.
I think that I did a video about this that went viral on Love in Dubai as well.
Yes.
I said if you want to post a negative Google review, then my suggestion is you travel outside the UAE, post all the negative reviews that you want, but never come back.
Yes.
And it's true because in this country, the threshold for a negative review turning into a crime has become very, very thin. So at any moment, if the review is on and the restaurant or the whatever establishment finds that the review is criminally offensive, then they can easily register a complaint against you. The problem is not that there's something wrong with the review, but at any time they can open a criminal complaint. Now that criminal complaint could be that there's no merit to it, but what will generally happen is that you'll be traveling. Or you'll have to, do some kind of government work, and then you'll find that there's a travel ban issued against you, and then you have to go to the police, and it's a headache. That's what I'm saying. Just save yourself the headache and just don't mention it. Don't mention it over Google. Just tell your friends about your negative experience. And
so be your own influencer in your own circle. Talk about the bad experience you had with this company on to your network. You don't have to take it online, because what goes online stays online forever.
Agreed.
I have a story to tell here. One of my friends, he was renting a car from one of the very famous companies in the UAE. What he made is that he very politely wrote a review, and before taking it online, he went to Google ChatGPT, and he told ChatGPT, "This is my review. Please make sure it's super polite and it does not put me in any legal trouble." ChatGPT gave him a draft. He looked at it, he liked it, and he posted in Google Review. 3 days, and he got a legal notice.
Oh my God.
3 days.
Unbelievable.
A legal notice. The company is so used to bad reviews that they have a lawyer on retainer just to send legal notices to everybody. So we understand that also some companies misuse the power of the law and their right to open a claim against anybody for defamation, and they throw legal notices left and right, and it's up to the court. So exactly what Ahmed said, you may be putting a very fair review, a very polite one, but at the same time, you're vulnerable to a legal case that might stay in court for 2-3 months. And during these 2-3 months, in your